Hello shooters and airsofters, at last we're gonna review the Nexpeed hop-up chamber for high kappa. So let's get started. So this video review will be Taglish or English Tagalog. So maririnig nyo akong magtatagalog. Minsan I'll speak in English. So para mahit ko yung heart ng mga Filipino people. Pero don't worry guys, I will speak in English especially for the important parts. So yeah, let's get started. So here is, actually this is the version 2. Yung version 1, it's been, I guess it's been 2 years. Tapos then they released the version 2. So they are trying to compete with other manufacturers like TTI. Kasi TTI is TDC rin. This is also TDC. But the version 1 of Nexpeed is 2-piece. So it will break to half na ganyan. May screw siya. But this one is different. So this is a one piece. So this is their version 2. If I'm not mistaken, the version 1 is already obsolete and they already changed it to version 2. So yeah, let's get started and let's check what's inside the package or in the box. So it comes in different material. You have the brass, or if you want a little lighter and in different colors, you can go for aluminum. Aluminum, you can go for silver, black, green, violet, yung gold nila na mukhang orange. So yun yung maganda kay aluminum. But this is lighter as well. If you want a little weight, and airsoft practical shooters love the brass. So personally, I go for the brass for chambers. So yeah, so open natin si brass. Yun na lang yung buksan natin dahil I like the brass. I've done some guns using the Nexpeed chamber, maybe mga 5 or 6 guns na already, and actually they're good. And how to assemble this is really interesting. It reminds me of AEG. So I'll show you why AEG ang nagre-remind sa akin. So yeah. So, they are eco-friendly because they're using QR code for the manual. So, you just need to scan it. So, welcome to the future, guys. So, wala nang paper manuals. So, the other parts is, this is for the 1911, to this part. The C-ring, so you will put this to your inner barrel. Then, this is the lock for your barrel. And Allen screw. So here, this one, a 3D printed na plastic. So you will think na ano lang to, maybe this one is for para hindi mayupi yung chamber in a package, but no, you will use this when you're assembling your chamber, because what we'll do is you will push the barrel and hop up rubber using this one. So later I'll show to you how this thing works. So yeah, yan yung package. So to install this, I'll use my existing gun. So limcat. So remove the slide stop. Remove the plug. Remove the plug. There you go. Remove the barrel. So for our example, this is TTI chamber. So maybe let's make a little brand comparison for both of them. So this one, it uses also a C-ring to lock the barrel, but it's a little different from versus sa Nexpeed design. So medyo iba siya. Wait lang. Makita yung lock. There you go. Now you can remove the C-ring. There you go. So you can remove this. There. Let's put this on the side. There. So to install the Nexpeed chamber, you need the C-ring, of course. But the process for this one is a little different. So for able for you to install this, or the process for installing this is, first is put the C-ring here, the C-ring, this part here, itong part na to, yan, let it snap. Then after snap, pag nag-snap siya, now you can install this to your chamber. Yan. They're smooth as butter. Yan. The use of this one is you can use it to push the hop-up rubber without damaging the hop-up rubber or the chamber. Then after that, it's easy. You can get your Allen screw to lock the C-ring or the inner barrel here. You need to put a little thread lock at this part. Maybe just a little dub para hindi siya matanggal. Kasi pag sa vibration or every shot, most probably the scrub screw will get loosened by time. Kasi hindi siya super sikip po. Tama lang, may tension slide. But anything that moves, better to put a thread lock. Yeah, that's it. So you can adjust your hop up here. Then once you get your preferred hop adjustment, you can just, where is it? Offer to rotate. That means this one won't rotate by itself. There you go. There you go. So this lock works like there is a ball bearing here. You can see it. This ball bearing. It pushes the ball bearing to the hop-up wheel. So more tension, meaning the more harder you can rotate the wheel. So basically that's it. Next speed chamber installation is like that. I've tried this and yeah, they are really nice. Comparing to this one, they're a little different when it comes to assembly and disassembly. But overall, they're kinda similar, but a little different. So yeah, I guess Nextpeed is trying na maging different to TTI, but at the end of the day, they're kinda the same. Ang pinakaiba lang yung bump and hop-up rubber na mag-work for both of them. By trying, kinda the same din yung hop-up rubber na mag-work sa kanila. But ay hindi pa ako nakakapag-explore kay Nextpeed kung ano yung mga best talaga na mag-work. Kasi yung bump niya, kinda different from TTI, yung design ng bump niya. So, most of the bumps kasi nag-work to a certain barrel, to a certain hop-up rubber. But, yung mga last time na nagawa ko, I'm using the 9-ball hop-up rubber with 9-ball inner barrel or PDI inner barrel, and they're working perfectly fine. So, yeah. So, that's it. So, what can I say? If you have the TTI chamber, or you have the version 1 Nextpeed, I guess you don't need to upgrade. Because they're parehas lang sila eh. They just make it one piece. Actually, the design, they're kinda the same. Different installation, but they're the same lang eh. So, you don't need to upgrade if you have a existing TDC. But if you're from a traditional hop-up chamber going to a TDC, you can try this one. You can go for TTI, you can go for Nextpeed. For me, they're kinda the same. Yun nga lang, different installation lang to. So if you're used of TTI, you can just go for TTI. But if you want to try something new, or you want to learn more about chamber, so if you encounter na ibang chamber like me, ako gusto ko siyang ini-install ito. Kasi, for example, may ma-encounter akong client na ganito, I can work on this. So hindi ako matatanga. Kasi iba rin talaga yung installation nito. So, yun. So, for me, this is good. This will work. Okay siya. Pero, is it a big upgrade versus TTI? No. For me, they're kinda similar. So, yun. That's it. Testing video, hindi na ako gagawa. They're kinda similar din when it comes to accuracy. Yeah, so that's it. Additional, before I end, meron din siyang locking dito. Yung nag-hold dun sa chamber para hindi siya gumalaw. So, like I mentioned, yung features nila, they're really similar, but a little different. Not 100% similar. So, siguro para yung patent ni TTI hindi, para si Nextbit hindi magkaroon ng problema sa patent ni TTI kasi this is patented. So, yeah, that's it. So, I hope you like the video and I hope you learned something from it.